For over 60 years, Vinidex has been a leader in the manufacturing and supply of advanced pipe solutions that connect Australians to water and energy. Our products are found throughout homes all around Australia, from plumbing drainage solutions to NBN conduit to gas mains and stormwater pipes. You'll find us under roads and rail and on agricultural land, delivering water and drainage solutions for crops and farming. Across our vast nation, we make life flow. Made locally and backed by the strength of Ali Access, a global leader in advanced piping systems, Vinidex is committed to innovative solutions that leverage the best global technology available. Core to our approach are smarter solutions that are more sustainable throughout the manufacturing process and over their lifetime. Our values of challenging the status quo, caring for our environment, our customers and each other, and taking accountability for our decisions and actions drive us every day. But we are also evolving to meet the changing environment and our customers' needs, developing new systems, new innovations, new products, and now, a new brand. We're excited to introduce a new look for Vinidex. Whilst our branding might be changing, some things will always stay the same. Our commitment to high-quality products, the fact our customers can rely on our technical experts to work in partnership with them to find the right solutions to meet their needs and exceed their expectations, collaborating with our customers in shaping our product development and innovation approach, and the fact that we will continue to work towards developing sustainable solutions to meet the needs of today and beyond. Because at Vinidex, we make life flow.